answer because I gotta play you guys a new song.